Guys, get yourself a nice pair of scissors. You deserve it. I spent the longest time using just like the most garbo pair of scissors. Get a nice pair of scissors. These are linked down in the below. These are Fiskars. These are nice. Okay, back to this. Okay guys, if you were wondering what those little black pieces were, those were actually block-off plates for the license plate. That's why you saw me measure it earlier in the video. Also, all the stills were me making a bracket to mount that rear reflector, and then I also went back and later redid that little Sunny decal and made it look more OEM. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.